You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. Quite a confusing word. Why is it even spelled like this? It's pronounced in English vie. In French, this exact word means life, but in English it's compete eagerly with someone in order to do or achieve something. To vie, as in an athlete, for example, is vying for a place in the national team, for example. Vie. Vie is how it's said. It's easy, and now you know English pronunciation, how to pronounce vie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.